In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video in Genspark AI Mobile. To get started, open the Genspark app on your phone. Once the app loads, look for the AI video option and tap on it. This will take you into the video generation workspace, where you can set up everything you need before creating your clip. The first thing you'll notice is the model selection. If a default model is already selected, just tap on it to open the list of available models. From there, choose the one that best fits the kind of video you want to create. Different models can produce different styles or results, so if you're experimenting, this is a good place to start. Next, take a moment to customize your settings. You can adjust the aspect ratio depending on where you plan to use the video, whether that's vertical, square, or widescreen. You can also choose the quality level and set the video length. If you want sound included, you can turn audio on or leave it off if you only need visuals. There's also a fast mode option, which can be useful if you want quicker results. On top of that, you can add references and assets to help guide the output and make the video more aligned with your idea. After your settings are ready, type your prompt into the prompt field. Be clear and descriptive so the AI understands exactly what kind of video you want to generate. The better your prompt, the better your result is likely to be. You'll also see a standard drop-down menu. Tap on that, and you can choose between light, standard, or ultra. These options usually affect the generation level and overall output quality, so pick the one that matches your needs. Once everything looks good, click Submit to start the video creation process. Then just wait for Genspark to generate your video.